Hello everyone, and it's Sunday evening, and welcome to Midnight Market Diaries, our daily analysis program for analyzing the global markets and Indian markets, and also the crypto and commodity markets. So let's prepare for the next week. How do we plan for the days coming ahead? Now let us see Nifty and Bank Nifty first. First of all, on Monday it's a holiday in Indian market, so the analysis will remain same for Tuesday too. Okay. Now if we see at the first, the weekly charts, it's actually a down bar, which we already discussed on our previous analysis video, that now it looks a little bit strong. So, the real strength, in weekly time frame will come after if we get a close in this wick region or above this wick region in at weekly time frame. Now if we go to our daily time frame, then this was a shakeout bar, you can say. It went below these lows, tested these lows with very huge volume. I think this volume was never seen before. And then we had a little up move. Then this red bar which came, it came with the least volume, showing that the sellers are not that powerful over here. And then we got a confirmation, just like here we got a confirmation of bearish strength, like this one. So here we have got the signal for bullish strength over here. On going, on going above this high of this bar, we can plan for some fresh longs over here, and we can take it for positional, I think. And if we go to 75 minutes, okay, so a kind of resistance is getting formed over here. I wish that we get a little bit downside retracement and then we can have some long positions, because market is not breaking any low for sake. Uh, Mhm. It should break some lows, so that the weak buyers should get out of it, and then we can have some entry. Because I have also not entered any longs yet. I'm just looking for some opportunity. By the way, the weekly signal has just formed, so let's see. The next week is just a three trading day session, so it would be nice to see. I think it will be a very low volume week. Now let us see Bank Nifty. I'm not that much interested in Bank Nifty nowadays, so but let's see. People trade on it. Some people. Uh, mm, Bank Nifty. Okay. Bank Nifty, I'm not sure about it that much. It can just jiggle wiggle sideways over here, because everyone will think that it's strong, and the retailers will try to get into it for longs, and it will not go too much far. Nifty is very much good for trading right now, because it's showing a nice volatility in the markets. In the daily time frame, if you will see, we have this gap which is pending over here, and if we see, then this is the gap here, option J. Okay. So here, mm, if we can go above this area and close above this, then the bullish strength will be confirmed. Will get confirmed in Bank Nifty too. Sorry, I'm feeling very much sleepy. I don't know why. I slept the whole day, but still I'm feeling sleepy. uh, these were the highs. These are broken, so we don't need this line. This is the gap region. Let's see what happens for to it on Tuesday. Now let us move to S&P 500. Uh, Here, I don't think that we have that much bullish signs. Uh, if you will look at S&P, uh, it's lower high. Like this was the high, this is lower high, and then we have this again lower high. So the structure is still not broken. And this bar, you can see it's the least volume in the previous days. So this bar is the deciding factor. If we get a close above this, we can continue with the bullish thing. And if we get a down bar closing, then we can go with the bearish flow. So now let us also analyze the weekly charts. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. This level is cleared 5121. Hmm. And if we see this one, hmm, if we get a low volume red bar in the next week, or if we get a bullish close in the next week, then the bullish strength can come back and we can go above side. But if this doesn't happens, then I think it will be a serious problem for S&P 500. Because in 30 minutes, I can see that the indicator that I have built has created this signal over this bar, which should be studied a lot. Like this region is the selling orders are here, I think. So at this point, if you want to short the market, you can plan for it. But if we get a strong close above it, then leave your shorts. Okay. It's the simple advice for yeah, traders in the US markets. If we get a strong close above this region, then on weekly time frame too, we will have a nice green bar. So this 30 minutes bar will be deciding factor for both daily and weekly. If we get that, I think yeah, this is the 30-minute range. If we get a nice closing above this, then we are going up, no doubt about it. But these 30 minutes range that we have got is the most important to see for now. Okay. I think same I have marked for Dow Jones and similarly for Nasdaq. This range is not useful for us now. It's gone. So just be careful. I think this time if we fall, then Nasdaq will be the biggest loser to fall. Because most of the beers have been cleared from here. Like all the weak beers, I think must have got cleared. Yeah. So it will be the biggest loser if we start falling this time. Uh, Rest, I think let's study Brent crude, weekly time frame. Okay. Brent crude can see some upside from now on. I think, yeah. Crude, I think we can see some upside. Okay. This signal which is showing it's the bearish sign, which is initiated by weak bears. So I think this will get covered. Hmm. We should at least target this region if we want to go like 69.8 if we want to go long in crude oil. But before going long, I think this part should get also cleared. If this is not cleared, then the up move which we will going to see will also get faded away. Because the weak buyers are still sitting over here, so that's why we need a nice clearance of that, and then we can go up. Now let us see at dollar index futures. Hmm. Okay. I think this analysis of dollar index that I did over here, I think yeah, it was over here some times ago. It played out very well. At that time, I was very much not sure about that if this level will ever come or not, but it finally came. Now I don't know the downside levels of dollar index for now. Let's see what will happen to it because on weekly it looks weak, on daily it looks a little bit strong, but for it to turn, I want a up bar which is not very much high volume, like low strength up bar. Then we can see a continued bearish strength, which will lead us to more short trades. Okay. Hmm. it's showing some green symbols over here. So someone is accumulating it, maybe for short-term long side trade or maybe for long-term, I don't know. But this yellow bars with this are a deadly combination. So I think they will target some nice levels, or maybe they will target this because this thing is still not cleared. Yeah, okay. So for now, just don't chase shorts in dollar index. We can see some upside because there is some buying happening over here. I don't know till which level they will target. I think this one or maybe the final this one, 103.3. So this is not the time to short dollar index now. You can plan for some long trades over here. But yeah, if you will see that we are going up with low volumes, then after some days we can plan for fresh shorts in dollar index. Now what should we look at? HG copper. Okay, it's now again going up a little bit. Mm. Okay, so it went up with low volumes. Oh, okay. Here we saw a green bar, and this is actually a symbol that this down move was initiated by weak sellers. That's why we are going to see a nice covering over here. I don't know till where they can cover it. Oh. Huh. Mm, Here it's hmm. Maybe for daily time frames we can see some strength. But after that, okay, here also we got green symbols. Uh, they are targeting some levels over here. Here we got the weak. I think till here they can target it, or maybe the gap filling. Yeah, maybe they can fill the gaps. Mm, it's evening and the kids are playing outside. They're just shouting. Uh, Now, if we see gold futures for now, I don't know for copper, I can't say. Okay, it's showing green symbol over here, but it's closing at the top, so I don't believe in it too much. Yeah, but you can say that the people who bought over here, are now somewhat offloading their things at these levels. You can say that. It's definitely the possibility that the people who bought at the downside are now offloading their gold. So you should be not going long for now because I think the move is overstretched. On 30 minutes, it's okay. Back to back red symbols, move initiated by weak buyers. Okay. Don't go long in gold, I think no. Like, okay. Actually, these moves are like the topping symbols many times of something. And then gold, okay. Okay. Not this. No. Okay. If we come down in gold, then we can see these levels. 2300 levels. 2300 levels are quite possible in gold. If we come down and this climatic up bar, because here is no significance of this green up bar. No institution or no big hedge fund or bank is going to buy gold after this long run at the top. They always buy it cheap and then sell it high. So this is definitely looking like a climatic up bar, after which the up move stops. So if we come down, then 2300 will be the first target that we can see. Okay. Hmm. Because someone who has bought over here is definitely offloading its gold. Okay. Now, I think it's enough. Let's look at crypto now. I also need to go out with my friends. I have my evening planned uh, on weekly. Okay, it's a nice engulfing bar. Hmm. Actually, on shorter time frames now, I am not getting the long signals in Bitcoin yet. Like this one was a shorting symbol, uh, and okay, hourly charts. Ah. Here we got it. Uh, Here we have it. Okay. In Bitcoin, these levels are very important. If we get a closing above this, if we get a closing above these levels, this range, then uh, this will be the target. The closing above this red bar you can see. So it will be around 96275. 96275 will be our target. This weekly close, I think it closes on Sundays or what? Yeah. So it's a nice close actually. Uh, it's properly engulfing it and with a nice volume over here. If we go up, then we can target these levels. So now let us see uh, daily time frame. Yeah. If we go above that, then we can plan that. Now let's see Ethereum. Okay. Ethereum is actually weak. No need to long it. Ethereum is actually weak, and no need to give your brains in Ethereum. And in Ethereum, I can't say anything because this red bar over here, it's showing some strength. This green bar also confirming it. We need to go above this for any longs in Ethereum. Rest, I think it can further go down. So I'm not that much convinced in Ethereum. So I think that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day at trading tomorrow in the US or crypto markets. And for Indian markets, wait for Tuesday. And I think nothing special will happen on this week because it's just a 3-day week and we will have least volumes, I think. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.